Enhance your operation with Cooking Performance Group induction ranges, designed for front and back of the house applications. These units are compact with durable stainless steel bodies and easy to clean German Schott Ceran ceramic glass. 2 cooling fans with washable aluminum mesh filters help safeguard internal components from heat, grease, and moisture. The induction ranges don't require ventilation hoods, allowing you flexibility with installation. They also generate less heat, creating a more comfortable working environment. Each unit comes with an LED display, intuitive controls, and a 180-minute timer. They also have 30 power levels and a temperature range from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Available in 120 volt and 208 240 volt connections, these units come in 2 models. The standard countertop models include a rapid boil button and a probe core cooking mode, allowing you to cook or hold more delicate foods like stocks or sauces at a set temperature for improved control. The drop-in countertop models include a holding function and feature a remote control to easily adjust temperatures and settings. For exceptional performance and versatility, choose Cooking Performance Group induction ranges.